Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to talk to you guys about this Stanley jumper box that looks awesome, looks great, but everything will work just fine on it. But just to let you know, this is my third one. They couldn't fix the problem, so I go online and I find this big forum about the Stanley jumper box where the air compressor breaks down. Everything else will work fine and last you for years and years and years. But I took this back, returned it once to Menards where I bought it from. That's a hardware store. And I got a new one. And less than a month later, after the first one, the air compressor went out and I used it to just pump my kids' bike tires, car tires. I don't excessively use it or anything. I probably got like 4 uses out of it. For those of you people who already have one, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to use it, or who are really thinking about getting it regardless of the air compressor issue. Just to let you know, the air compressor will break down on you. Not maybe, it will in about 3 months. It's a very, very common thing. They're engineered very crappily inside. Other than that, everything else will work. If you're going to use the battery status, you hold the button, you see it light up right there. It tells you how full you are. And if you're going to use the jumper cables that are on the back right here, you just unclip them. Very simple. They lock in there. And you must turn this on. So if you go try to jump your car and this is on off, that's not going to work. So that's how you do it. You turn that on. USB, you would click that in. You can feel it click in and out. If you're going to use the USB to charge a cell phone, your USB is right here. And also you have the old style car charger that they're trying to phase away with. There's a really cool LED light here that swivels and turns around. The sun's shining right now so you can't see how strong it is, but it does work great. On the back you have a charger where you can charge your unit here. You just plug it in, let it sit. There's a gauge for your tire pressure and tells you how big your PSI is. But there's an on and off switch here to run your air compressor, which mine doesn't. Okay. The other thing you're not going to like about this is I had this in my trunk. I've had it in my back seat, and the placement of the on and off switch, this is going to go on and off on you. On on you when you're driving for no reason. It will get tipped over or kicked or hit, and you're gonna have to pull over and turn that off. So that's very bad placement right here on this one. Also, I want to talk to you guys about the DeWalt, even though this video is not about that. This one cost me about $100. This one cost me about $150 online. So for the extra $50 delivered to my house, I got DeWalt name brand, and there's no issue with this air compressor, just to let you guys know. So my recommendation, if you're not going to use the air compressor, go ahead and go with this one. You'll get it for about 80, 90 bucks in that range, or 100 bucks. But this one is going to cost about $150, but your air compressor will work just fine.